Harsh cleaners and abrasive tools can permanently damage bathtub and shower surfaces if used without care. Bathtub and shower materials vary widely from porcelain, enamel, and acrylic to fiberglass and natural stone, and each needs specific cleaning methods to avoid etching, discoloration, or surface loss. For porcelain enamel, use a mild, non-abrasive cleaner and a soft sponge. Rinse thoroughly and dry to prevent mineral spotting. Acrylic and fiberglass are softer and scratch easily, so use a pH-neutral cleaner or a paste of baking soda and water applied gently with a microfiber cloth. Never use strong alkaline or acidic products because they can crazing or cloud the finish. Natural stone like marble or travertine reacts to acids, so avoid vinegar, lemon, or acidic bathroom cleaners, and instead use a stone-safe, pH-neutral cleaner and blot spills quickly. Bleach and chlorine-based toilet bowl cleaners can strip glazes and corrode drain components if left sitting on tub or tile surfaces, so never apply those products to bathtubs or showers. If you need heavy mold or mildew removal, use a product labeled safe for your surface and follow the dilution and dwell time instructions precisely. Always test any new commercial cleaner on a small concealed area for at least 24 hours and inspect for color change or dulling before full use. And use soft tools such as microfiber, soft nylon brushes, or non-scratch pads rather than metal scrapers or rough scouring pads. The most common mistakes are using toilet bowl cleaners on tubs, which can eat through glazes and plastic over time, using abrasive scrubbers that produce micro scratches and dull finishes, and applying acidic cleaners to stone, which causes etching and permanent loss of polish. The fix for the first is to stop immediately, rinse the area well, and treat any damaged finish by consulting a professional refinisher for glazing or replacement options. For scratched or clouded acrylic and fiberglass, stop abrasive cleaning and restore light hazing with a polish designed for plastics, or seek professional buffing if deep scratches remain. For etched stone, cease acid use and contact a stone restoration specialist who can hone and repolish the surface. While some stains can be poulticed out at home, etching needs mechanical correction. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a community discussion forum where people share real-world cleaning experiences and product feedback related to tubs and showers. We help contractors find work by exposing their services to homeowners actively solving home maintenance problems, and our discussion community fosters practical advice and local recommendations.